Today we are bringing to you a very special number coming from Abia. This is a complete view of Port Harcourt Road that is being handled by Julius Berger, the best contractor when it comes to road construction in the whole of Nigeria. So they are the ones handling this Port Harcourt Road in Abia State. Well, this is a very good and welcome development coming from OT. Earlier on, we have made a video, thanking OT for taking that bold step, to call upon Berger to come and do this job for him. Actually, Nigeria is not poor. All our roads are supposed to be done to this standard of Berger. So viewers, I decided to make a very special video for this Port Harcourt Road construction being handled by Berger. Earlier on, I talked about Anambra State using Berger to do some of their major roads, being that Berger is already in the state doing the second Niger Bridge. They are in the state, employed by the federal government to do the second Niger Bridge. So I don't see the reason why we cannot engage them to do 2, 3, 4, 5 roads for us in the state. And actually, Berger and its likes should be the people handling road construction in any part of Nigeria. Yes, it's not big. It's not a big thing, because the budget Nigeria is getting, all the states are getting, the internal generated revenue, they can handle it. They can handle it. Okay, solve this mathematics. How can Anambra State, that is getting almost ×2 what others are getting in the southeast, cannot use a strong company to construct road? Companies like Berger. But Abia State is using Berger to construct road, and they are awarding more roads to Berger, because I will show you that they are awarding more roads to Berger from what you will see here on Port Harcourt Road and the extension. So all these ones we are talking on this channel that time that we should give Berger work to do for Anambra State, we never knew that others are listening. So immediately Abia State called upon Berger to come and do the work for them. Something that we have advantage in all ramifications over Abia State. Well, our hands are tied, and the people in power decide what happens to our money, and there is nothing we can do about that. Anything that serves us as breakfast, that's what we are going to collect, and it will be shoved under our throat by force. We must eat it. So that's the way it works. So but however Abia State, that's a kudos to them. So they have taken a bold step to call upon Berger to come and do their road construction. So now let's see the details of the contract concerning this road. Construction and rehabilitation of Port Harcourt Road, 5.7 kilometer. Government of Abia State. Julius Berger, and the supervising ministry is the Ministry of Works. Well, let's move down to the site. We need to see everything concerning this road. Well, like I said, I don't know what is the problem with Nigeria. Honestly, the information we are getting, and if this information is wrong, please let me know, is that Other African countries that are not rich, like a segment of Nigeria, is establishing very strong and solid construction in their places. But here we find it difficult, our politicians find it difficult to do a very good work for our people. That's why people keep, leaving this country, going for other places to go and stay, because it's assumed that politics is a different understanding when it comes to this part of the world. Yes, like I was saying, this is the way all our roads in this country should be looking. Honestly speaking, we have the money, just that the money, they fail to use the money the way it's supposed to. Nigeria have the money. What is happening to our money? Is it that few people are in charge of this money? What is the problem? Ordinary road, that other people, they don't take it as anything, that we are talking about road all the time as if is one different thing that is unachievable. Well, thank God some of our governors are waking up to do the right thing. Yes, like I was saying, if I should have my way, companies like Berger should be the ones handling all the roads in every state in Nigeria. It's not a big thing, just that the money ends up in few hands. That is our problem, and they are not committed to do the right thing to serve the masses. When we really mean to play politics to serve, to come and serve, then we will have a different understanding. Just look at the way it is. There is room to place slabs. Whether they are going to place the slabs all through, we are yet to know. But this place, you can see, serves as a walkway. You can see how smooth and neat the walk is. Somebody can gently move on top of the drainage, and it serves as walkway. If the state government want now, they are going to interlock the setback after the drainage. They interlock the setback, providing a larger walkway for pedestrians. This road, I bet you, is up to 4 lanes. I know it's more than 3 lanes, or at least 3 lanes. It's very wide and very spacious enough. It's about 3 lanes. Let's just leave it like that. This is Port Harcourt Road, Abia State. So viewers, if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, this is the opportunity to click on the subscription button, notification bell. Please like this video and don't forget to share the videos, because this is a good and wonderful development that people need to know and demand for their own places. Well, let's keep moving down. We want to get to where the contractor is presently moving their machines and the equipment while doing the road construction. So we are moving down a bit. So you can see the job is going on, yet there is demolition along these places. A lot of shanties are around, so they need to remove some so that they will get what they want. You see, this is Julius Berger for you. Man, like I said, if I'm the governor, I will get this company, I will give them a place to stay, and I will negotiate with them. They will stay throughout my tenure, and I will make sure that work is going on everywhere in the state by them. Because this kind of road, you will not talk about reconstruction in the next 30 or more years, making it less job for the incoming governors to work on. I don't know whether it is possible to make it as a law that the level of contractors to be used in a state, if it is possible, I think that should be the best thing that the state can do for themselves, if not for selfish interest that people want to grab, because of that mindset of the type of politics we play in this part of the world. If somebody finds himself in a public position, all he thinks is how to grab and grab and grab for his friends, for himself, and for his villagers. Well, until we learn to play the real politics, we will not change. If you continue doing what you are doing and expect change, no way. That is why we are here in Abia State, Aba specifically. We want to see what is going on in some major places, but now we are focusing on Port Harcourt Road, where Berger is doing wonderfully well on road construction. This road stretches down, I think it stretches down into Aba Owerri Road. Yes, Aba Port Harcourt Enugu Expressway. Yes, Port Harcourt Enugu Expressway. Supposed to stretch into the road, though we cannot move down to the end of this road, but we desire to move down a bit to see other things that are going on here. Everything you are seeing here is fixing. Everything is fixing. Everything you are seeing, all the drainages, all the chambers, everything is precast. So they are now bringing them to fix, to join and fix. That's how they do it. And that is how serious companies do their job. It doesn't waste their time. They've already done the casting somewhere. So as soon as they are bringing it to the site, they are fixing it while casting is going on somewhere else. Instead of bringing it to the site and remain there for 1 month casting one thing or the other. Just take a good look. The junction, the chambers, everything is precast and fixed. You can see it. Everything you are seeing here. Everything as you are seeing it like this, the gutters, they are all precast. They just brought in there and fixed. So we are getting closer to it. We want to take a good look at them and see what they look like. You can see the gutters, you can see the height is high. It's high enough. When you look at it from outside, it looks as if it's not deep. But that thing is very, very deep. You can see the cast there. You can see the size, the length, and the weight. You can see that is a very big, massive item. So we want to move down a bit to see what is going on down there. But I know the job is being done batch by batch. When they are done with this, they will shift further to other side. And that's how they are doing it, moving downwards. This place, if you come here the next 1 or 2 months, you'll see a massive difference on the site. Because I know Berger and I know the way they do their work. They don't want to delay the people. They don't want to cause problem to the masses using the road. So they will try as much as possible to reduce the inconveniences attached, except when funds are not coming. That's the only handicap that they have. Where their yard is somewhere here by the left. They have established their yard somewhere here. I will show you their yard. It's not far from here. So by the left, you can see their yard here. See where they camped. That is their yard, where they have all their equipment, all their machines, all the materials they are using. That is their yard. So we are having a reverse view of the construction site. Well, this is a welcome development by Oti. Oti has done wonderfully well in this regard. And, people are saying all kind of appreciative messages. But, well, I said I don't want to talk much, so that it will not be a kind of influence to you viewers until you must have watched and drop your comments. Then we'll see what you think about the video. So here they are laying the asphalt. Usually they lay the asphalt in 3 different coaches after they must have laid the course or whatever they called it, and before then there must be stone base 1, 2 before all these ones started coming up. Well, Berger is the contractor that you can trust, and they know what to do at every point. You see, at every junction, in order not to spoil their work, they will extend that drainage and the road inside a bit so that it will not affect what they have done for you. Before it will affect from that side to what they have done, which is almost not possible. So you see them at every junction, they will push it a bit, they will construct road, move it a bit inside, and they will continue with what they are doing. All those things are ways to secure their own job because they have a name to protect. So like I said, more roads are given to Berger in Aba, or whether it's a continuation, I don't really know for sure, but I learned that an extension has been given to them, and I will show you the extension where they are going to extend their job to cover that taxes again. And from information I've gotten, they have come there to do the survey and planning to start work there. So let's go down there, I will show you. So viewers, this is the continuation of that Port Harcourt Road. You see all these places. Yes, it has been confirmed that they have also been awarded to Berger. They have come here to do their necessary survey and a lot of things. So this is a good development and a wonderful one. And I said personally thumbs up to OT, having that courage to call upon Berger to do this particular road, understanding that some roads need special attention. That is the joy of it. Some roads are key roads that need special attention, and those roads they help to grow the economy by serving a lot of people on that road. So that such roads need special attention. If much attention is not given to such roads, then there is problem somewhere. That is what we have been preaching on this channel. And if I should have my way, Anambra State should use contractors not less than RCC to construct all the roads in Anambra State. It's not a big thing. up to standard. I'm talking about up to standard. Ngige did it. Ngige used RCC and some top contractors. So I don't know what is difficult in doing it. Well, the governor of Anambra State is still trying on its own because it's not easy to do the calculation when it comes to governance. Well, I'm still Chinedu, your presenter. Until I come your way next time, I say bye for now.